make some Arabian kebabs today. I had to make 2 batches of this up because my husband had to go to work and I was having to hurry and get this done. Stay till the end because there's 2 pages of ingredients that goes in this and also another page that tells you exactly the process of how to do this. Okay, here we are. We're grinding and mincing the meat, the parsley and onions, and the can of rotel sauce. Now, if you don't have any rotel, use tomato paste or tomatoes. Just make sure they're all drained when you get through mincing them together. Add any spice you want to. I made a list of spices I use. Here's the parsley here chopped up and minced, and then I had to make him some real quick, so I minced his parsley up with the meat because I didn't let his set for a while, but his turned out really good. Now, after you get all those minced, make sure they're drained so you don't want it too juicy or the kebabs won't stick together. Add it all together, including all your spices, and then let them rest in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. Take it out, wear gloves, and put a bowl of water with saffron in it. And between each time you shape the kebabs, dip your fingers in the saffron and then shape your kebabs. These are really good broiled, but they're even better with the flavor of grilling them on the grill. The kebabs, now it's time to flip them. Are assembling his sandwiches. We got the kebab, we put mayonnaise, tomato, just do whatever you want to on it, some salad on it, and just wrap it up, and there you go, ready to go for work. We got these breads at Sam's. They have the naan bread and this bread right here. They're really good for these. This is the mayonnaise and mayonnaise and ketchup that I fixed up for him. Similar, he likes cheese on his and parsley flakes, and so he really loved it. And he's from UAE, so he's an expert. Here's a list of ingredients. Like I said, you can use any ingredients you like to. Make them hot, make them really spicy, make them flaming. I have more recipes coming up, so please like and subscribe, and I'll enjoy seeing you again. Thank you. And don't forget, put the spices and seasoning there to your taste. It's your kebab, and eat it the way you like it. Thank you.